Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account password on your Vinted application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can browse through various different items. Now in order to change your password, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and now you will end up within the profile page. From here, scroll down and tap on settings, and then tap on account settings. Now within this page, scroll down and you will see the change password button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will first be asked to enter your current password. So just type in the current password that you are using in order to log into your account, and then type in your desired new password underneath. You will then be required to type in this new password once again for confirmation. And finally, you can tap on the change password button, and this will now change your password within your Vinted account right away. Make sure that you are following the requirements mentioned in order to create a secure password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Vinted account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.